In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote on a Jira issue. Let's embark on this straightforward journey where we'll explore each step you need to follow, making sure you can comfortably navigate through Jira to cast your vote on any issue you feel is significant. First, we begin by guiding you to your workspace in Jira, as this is the entry point for accessing all your tasks and projects. So let's head over to the Your Work section in Jira. Once you've logged into your Jira account, you'll find this section conveniently located, usually on your main dashboard or reachable from a drop-down menu on the top. This is where all your activities are centralized, providing you with easy access to recent projects and tasks you've been working on. Now that we've arrived at the correct area, the next thing you want to do is select the specific project you're interested in. There's a list or a grid display of your projects depending on how your Jira interface is set up. Selecting your project is as simple as clicking on its name or title. This action will transport you into the inner workings of the project, revealing all the nitty-gritty details, tasks, issues, and updates related to it. Once inside the selected project, your focus shifts to finding the Issues section. Often this is easily found on a sidebar or as a tab within the project's navigation menu. Clicking on the Issues tab filters out everything else and brings up a comprehensive list of all the issues associated with that particular project. It's like peering through a magnifying glass at all the essential tasks, challenges, or bugs that your team is currently tackling or planning to address. Now that you are within the issue view, it's time to scroll through and find the specific issue that you feel deserves your vote. Issues are usually displayed with a summary or a brief description, helping you identify which one needs your attention. Once you've located the issue, click on it to open the detailed view. Here you will find various details and sometimes comments from team members discussing the specifications or progress related to the issue. Finally comes the moment to cast your vote. You'll notice a simple interface element, often a thumbs up icon or a like symbol designed explicitly for voting purposes. Clicking on this icon registers your vote for the issue, indicating that you view the task as a priority or worthy of further consideration. Your vote helps guide team decisions and workflow by highlighting which issues stand out in terms of importance or urgency. And there you have it, you've successfully cast your vote on a Jira issue. This process not only allows individual users to express their opinions, but it also plays a crucial role in team collaboration, contributing to effective project prioritization and management. Remember, your vote can be influential, so make sure it reflects your genuine assessment of the task's significance within the project. As a quick review, we started by logging into Jira and going directly to Your Work. We then selected the relevant project to zoom in on the tasks at hand. Once in the project, we navigated to the Issues section, where we could view all relevant issues. After identifying the issue of interest, we cast our vote by clicking the like icon. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Voting in Jira is an excellent way to participate in your project management process, ensuring the right issues get the attention they deserve. If you encounter any issues or have further queries, remember that there's always support and resources available within Jira's help section. Thank you for joining me today, and happy voting on your Jira issues.